So hey all beautiful people, today let's speak about the traveling ban in Italy and also about the vaccination and just brief you about some basic information. Okay, so as you all know that Italy has extended their ban for country like India, Sri Lanka and Bangladesh till end of this month. Okay, I mean there is no as such further notifications when they will open, when they will not open, but anyway it is not important. Okay, sooner or later they are gonna open the flights, right? But the another problem is the vaccination, right? So if you don't have the vaccination that is approved by Italian ministry, you cannot visit to Italy. So right now the Indian vaccine, that is Covishield and Covaxin, has not been approved by Italy. How exactly this works? Okay, I mean when they will approve it. So basically there are two ways by which a vaccine can be approved in one particular country or in the whole world. First is through WHO, that is World Health Organization. Second is EMA, that is European Medicines Agencies. Okay, so if these two agencies approve the vaccine, then the whole world will accept that vaccine. Okay, second way is that the country has to approach individually to each country and tell them to approve their vaccination. Okay, recently you must have heard that there was some news that our government is telling if the country won't approve our vaccine, we won't approve their vaccine. Okay, so it is under the second category. Now through this, the second category only, the Covishield is now approved in 18 countries like Germany, Spain and these countries. Okay, but still Italy has not accepted neither Covishield nor Covaxin. Wherever you want to go, whichever country you want to go, you have to first check whether the vaccine that you have taken is approved by that particular country or no. If that country has not approved that vaccine, you cannot visit to that countries. Okay, same apply for all the countries, whether you go to France, whether you go to Germany, whether you go to UK, whether you go to US. Okay, so till now Italy has approved only 4 vaccines, that is Moderna, Pfizer, AstraZeneca and Johnson and Johnson. For Malta has not yet approved Indian vaccine. Okay, so what you can do is you can now take the classes online, you can give the exams online, because everything, the notes, the professor lecture, maybe you can get it online, the professor lectures as well, the recorded version of it, and you can give exams and everything online. And I think you can take it in some positive way also, in good way also, so that you can save some month accommodation and living expenses charges if you'll be in India. But guys, means what I'll tell is don't bother yourself mentally. Now this is also same for the students who are in second year or third year or fourth year studying here in Italy or working in Italy. Nobody can visit to Italy if you don't have any one of these 4 vaccines approved by Italian Health Ministry. Okay, yeah, so that's it guys, that's what I just wanted to tell you all about this quick update. If you want, you can be the member, you can join the channel, you can join the Telegram group if you will be the exclusive member. You can have a face-to-face discussion with me through Skype call every 15 days. I do that. You can get help. I will help you in finding accommodation here in Italy. I'll speak with owner on your behalf, but only if you are a diamond members, because of course I cannot do it for everybody. I can also help you once you come here in Italy with the documentation and everything that you need, but for that you need to come, you need to take the diamond exclusive membership services. And if you need to get your apostille, your translation, your DOV and all the documentation services, scholarship services, or all the services that I'm telling you right now about the accommodations and everything, you can contact to lingual translators. They are in this field for years and they are the registered organization by Government of India. They do your documents very hassle-free, prompt and very quality services, so you can just contact them. They are 24/7 available for your services. You can use my coupon code and you can get a good discount, and you can take services from them. All the things you will find in the descriptions. Okay, so yeah, that's it for guys today. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to watch other documents series video, interview series video, scholarship series video as well. Till the time, thank you so much for watching Travel with Meg. Bye bye, ciao ciao.